Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited for this nail video because I probably did one of my favorite nail designs ever. Even though I say that for 90% of the designs that I do, I think this one beats all of them so far. Okay, so for the design, I'm going to be using some new polishes I received from Nail Reserve. They actually used to be called Nail Addict, so they ended up rebranding. I'm not sure why, but they have a new name, but their polishes remain the same great quality. They're one of my go-to brands for fun polish colors. They're super pigmented and really easy to work with, especially for nail art and stuff like that. If you guys want to try out any of these polishes, I do have a 50% off discount code. That is a huge discount. Most codes are usually like no more than 20, so definitely take advantage if you want to try out their polishes. The code will not apply if there's already promotions running on their site, but you can use it any other time and get 50% off, which is really good. So here are my natural nails and they are prepped and ready for a brand new set. In my last nail video, I did gel X removal and a little bit of nail and cuticle care. So if you're interested in that, definitely check that video out. I'll link it in the cards above. So the very first thing I like to do is pick out my nail tip sizes. This makes it easy to just grab and go and make the process so much quicker. I'm using the natural round medium length extensions from the brand Ombre. They're one of my favorite gel extension brands. I'm pretty sure they're the creators of the whole gel X technology. I could be mistaken, but I'm pretty sure it's like trademarked by them. But anyway, this round / almond shape is my #1 favorite shape to wear on my nails. Also, this medium length is perfect. It's not too long, it's not too short. I'm still able to get everything that I need to get done without feeling like my nails are making things harder for me, and I love that. And as always, a very important step for gel extensions is making sure you are using bonder or dehydrator and primer. I'm using both the bonder and primer from the Ombre brand. And another tip to make sure your nails are lasting longer is to make sure you're priming the inside of your nail tips. So I'm using this Gel X primer specifically made to prime the inside of these nail tips. This is also from Ombre, but if you don't have this, you could use regular primer, or you could just use a sanding band or some sort of cuticle bit and file the inside of the nail tips. Any of the things I just mentioned will help create a gritty texture on the inside of the nail tip, and this will help the nail tip adhere better to your natural nail. Another thing I'm doing is filing the nail tip around the cuticle area, trying to thin it out a little bit. This is going to help the nail tip blend more seamlessly with your natural nail. And also it'll look better once your nails grow out. It won't look like such a line of demarcation. It'll kind of give it a more smooth transition once your nails start to grow out. So now that I'm done prepping all the nail tips, I'm going to move straight into application. And today I'm using the gel extension glue from Savvyland. This is a great alternative to the Ombre one. I could be wrong, but it's no more than $15 and it works just as good. And of course, I'll make sure to link everything that I use in this video down below. But this has become my new favorite gel extension glue because it's more affordable and it works just as great as the Ombre. So I like to apply a thin layer of the gel extension glue on my natural nails, and I cure that for 60 seconds. And then I go in and start applying the nail tips without wiping off any of that tacky layer from the first thin layer. So when I'm applying the nail tips, I just put a thin layer on top of the nail tip where it's going to touch my natural nail bed. And then I always put a little extra blob of gel in the center of the nail tip before I lay it down on my nails. And this method has been working really well for me. It helps to prevent any air bubbles, and I think it gives me the perfect amount of gel to put in the nail tip so that I don't have a lot oozing out. So after all the nails are cured, I do like to go in and reshape these a little bit. These are round nail tips technically, so they're not as narrow as I would like them to be. So I always go in and kind of make them a little bit more narrow and also a tad bit more pointy. So instead of round, I'm trying to get more of that almond shape. And once I shape the nails how I like them, I just go in with my sanding band and remove the shine from all of my nails. You can also just use a buffing block to do this part. So here's the design I decided to do on my nails, and whenever I think a nail design is a little bit complicated, I always make sure that I'm able to do it with my non-dominant hand first. So these nails I did with my left hand and they came out really good, so I was excited and I knew that I would be able to do this look with my dominant hand, which is what I'm about to show you guys right now. So to start this design, I started by creating ombre French tips. I just placed 2 different colors on each nail, and then I used a thin liner brush to blend them together in the middle. I just blended until I was satisfied with the ombre effect that I got, adding more color if I needed to, and yeah, just blend it until I liked it. Once I was satisfied with the ombre look, I went in with a flat brush that was dipped in alcohol, and I just created a clean horizontal line across the nail, creating the French tip. This wasn't the normal smile line French tip, and it's also way higher than I would normally draw my French tips, but I really like the way that this looked. Then after that's cured, I just go in with a different color and I place polka dots on top of the ombre. I did some rows of larger polka dots, some rows of smaller polka dots, and I just played around with it until I liked the way that it looked. Here is my inspo pic of the nails I wanted to recreate. I found this reel on Instagram. I believe the Instagram page is called Maya Does My Nails. I'll leave her link down in the description box. She does beautiful and really cool nail artwork on her page, so check her out. But yeah, I wanted to recreate this, obviously using a few different colors and whatnot, but I fell in love with this design and it definitely gave me like Pinterest vibes, like super trendy nails. It's kind of a mix of really popular trends with the ombre tips, and then polka dots are always such an easy trendy nail art to do, so I loved this design. Like I mentioned, I am using all of the gel polishes that I received from Nail Reserve. You guys can see they are highly pigmented and I love the consistency of them. They're super easy to work with when you're doing nail art, and they work beautifully if you're just using them as a base color. If you guys are interested in trying out their gel polishes, don't forget to take advantage of my discount code and save 50% on their website. That is a huge amount of savings, and I'll have more information about them in my description box below. Now that I'm done with the nail art and everything is cured, I'm going in with my top coat. This is the non-wipe top coat from Ombre. I cured that for 60 seconds. And now I'm going in with my cuticle oil to rehydrate my cuticles. So here are the final results, and I love them so much. Every minute spent working on these nails was 100% worth it. Let me know what you guys think about these nails in the comment section down below. Also, you guys can let me know via YouTube comments or Instagram DMs what other nail designs or nail trends you guys would like to see me try on my channel. That is going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up before you go. Also, in the comment section down below, which emoji should we leave today? Maybe we should leave the tree emoji. I don't even know why, but just leave a tree emoji if you watched to the end of this video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Make sure you subscribe before you go and turn on the bell notifications so you know every single time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye!